Hi, hello, and welcome to today's update. It is a beautiful tussar update today. Hand block printed tussar silk sarees all ready to dispatch immediately. New prints, new arrivals just arrived. Beautiful fresh stock from our loom. So all these are from thread to finished product we have manufactured, and these are very beautiful matte finish, non-silkier, shimmery, coarse textures tussars. Tussars are generally famous for its coarse texture and matte finish nature. So unlike other silks, it is not silkier. So that is the exception of tussar or the beauty of tussar. And these are handloom sarees, which is again a very comfort related thing. So only handloom sarees are very comfortable than the powerloom sarees. So here we have a beautiful set of collection which I'm going to show you today. So if you want to book that collection, just take a screenshot like this in a fuller view and send it to the number 9789638283 for booking. So this saree particularly is a beautiful green with blue combination, throughout printed design in the mango pattern. So inverted and straight mangoes. Throughout it is printed, so it gives a beautiful look. So you can see pallu blouse also in royal blue. Combination is really ultimate and alluring. If you want to book this saree, just take a screenshot. Send that screenshot to the number 9789638283. The price is 5250. Cash on delivery available, but charges extra. So cash on delivery, the partner collects a fee, so that fee is actually extra. That is depending on the amount they collect and send. So you have to check with us for it. So standard ஒரு fee கிடையாது cash on deliveryக்கு. நம்ம என்ன amount collect பண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்களோ அதில் ஒரு percentage எடுப்பாங்க. So அந்த amount நீங்கள் extra pay பண்ண வேண்டியிருக்கும். This particular saree is a very colorful and different saree. So we have a beautiful vertical colored pattern. So red, blue, and we have green and yellow, which is very alluring combinations. எல்லாமே ஒரு ultra contrast வந்திருக்கு. And we have a bottom portion step by step ஒரு staircase type pattern which is in black. So black border, black pallu, black blouse is given for this colorful saree. A beautiful pattern. பிடிச்சிருந்தா உடனே screenshot எடுத்துட்டு புக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். The next one here is a beautiful royal blue with light blue combo. So blue combination it is. Dark and light blue. Center part is royal blue. We have a pretty pattern here with the small floral design which is done using blue and green colors. So we have a sky blue color for the bottom border and top border. The pallu contains double color, blouse piece is sky blue. Mostly the saree will contain a contrast blouse as in the border. If the complete saree, the border is in the same color, usually it is running color for the blouse. So one particular saree is this. A bold natural color green, deep natural green it is, darker than bottle green shade varadu, idu oru mari forest green. And we have a beautiful printing only in black. So here horizontally it is printed in the body and throughout printed in the pallu and blouse. A very different and unique pattern. People who love dark colors in tussar, this is a beautiful choice. The next one, an alluring combination again, a beautiful yellow with blue. So இது ஒரு நல்ல contrast color combination. Yellow, நல்ல bright yellow with sky blue combo. So இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான பேட்டர்ன், ஒரு peacock feather pattern கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Plus we have body design printed. பல்லு blouse கூட ப்ளூவில் கொடுத்துருக்கு. Blouse is plain, pallu is printed, come zari lined. So இது பிடிச்சிருந்தா screenshot எடுத்துக்கலாம். 5250 is the price plus shipping. The next saree is a unique combination of 3 to 4 colors. So we have 3 colors in the body, yellow, orange and red, whereas the borders, pallu and blouse is given in purple. So 3-4 கலருமே நல்ல அல்டிமேட் கான்ட்ராஸ்டாக கொடுத்துருக்கு. ரொம்ப pretty pattern is simple 3D type spirular geometrical pattern. The next one, yellow with purple. This is also a bright combo. நல்ல turmeric yellow whereas the saree contains a different design, ஒரு பெரிய triangle. Inside that we have a kalamkari design, red base la kuduthirukku. This is also very very different, alluring, ultimate combo of purple to the yellow. So drape பண்ணும்போது this will come in skirt part as well as in the top part, which gives a different look. So ஒரே pattern throughout இல்லாம different வந்திருக்கும். இது பிடிச்சிருந்தா screenshot எடுத்துக்கோங்க. The next saree is also a different pattern, Langavani style. So Langavani, the top chest portion is base half white with orange prints, and we have border in black, pallu blouse also in black, whereas the bottom portion is completely in cream base with batik style printing in green. So romba different ana oru combo. Ore saree la you can see different style, langa and vani. So davani podra style la oru half saree style. The next one, a single color saree in beautiful dark indigo blue. Indigo blue is very famous. Jaipur side la poitingna indigo blue la nariya type of printing paapom. One such kind of printing in tussar inik nam paakrom, and we have dancing doll in the bottom. Only cream is used for the printing, otherwise the complete saree is in blue shade, even the blouse. So all these sarees will be of 6.2 meters to 3 meters including blouse. And saree oda height pathina 42 to 44. So exact ore mari varadu, oru saree 42 irukum, oru saree 43 irukum, like that. That is why I am telling you in a range. So this is a cream saree with two different printing. So printing is done all the way in black. Apart from that we have another colors which is used. Here we have red, blue and sky blue colors, and also green. So idu mari alternative sarees full printing varudhu. We have a bottom border, top border in black, pallu blouse also in black, pallu pathina printed. So pudichindha screenshot eduthikalam, ready to book immediately. The next one is cream base with choco brown design printing. Apart from that we have blue prints also, or different ana or wild pattern, and same pattern is given for the border, pallu and blouse also, and the color la nalla deep blue color la kuduthirukanga. The last saree of today's update is a pretty black. Base is black, the printing is very different in this saree. So two different prints. Inga or print paakringa, that is in choco brown base, whereas in the pattern pathina cream base la brown print. So idu rendu mathi saree la varudhu. Saree oda base color, pallu, blouse, everything is black. So romba different ana saree. Idu kuda drape panna different look kudukum. So all these sarees are ready to dispatch immediately. Apart from this we have lot of collections in Tussar. So Tussar or block print collection venum, just text pannunga, we will send you all the collections. We have separate videos for all these sarees, so you can see from that also. So you can also see our Instagram page. Sarees vandu Tussar portharaikum, even if it gets sold, we can pre-book and give you, provided the time is given. So under normal climatic conditions 2 to 3 weeks la naanga pre-booking orders mudichu kuduthruvom. So thank you so much for watching the video. Marakama video ku like kuduthurunga, channel subscribe pannittu bell icon click panni vechukonga. Only then you will get the notifications on time. Thank you. Kindly share and support.